Meet AI Receptionist. It's your 24/7 front desk that handles calls, captures leads, books appointments, routes inquiries, and even sends texts, so you never miss a customer. Let's take a look at how it works. Get started right from your RingCentral admin portal. Pick a personality that fits your brand. Then drop in your company description or website. AI Receptionist will use your info to generate helpful FAQs and sync with your RingCentral settings to pull in your business hours and location. Then just add a company greeting to welcome every customer. Want callers to reach specific people? It's simple with transfer by name. If your directory's in RingCentral, there's no setup needed. You can also easily add more skills like transfer by context. Automatically send calls to the right teammate based on your caller's keywords. And hand off every call with full context and summaries for agents. Want to make AI Receptionist even smarter? Create a knowledge base with website links and files like return policies and product guides. AI Receptionist will use the information to respond to customer questions. It can even help schedule appointments and send confirmation texts, or instantly text callers requested info or links. And now you can capture every lead by collecting caller details like name, contact info, and inquiry type, customize questions, and sync leads to your CRM automatically. Before going live, just give it a quick test. Call in or use the chat to see how it handles real customer questions. Once it's up and running, easily get insights on what customers are asking and how your AI Receptionist is performing. Update answers and make any necessary adjustments in a click. No matter what industry you're in, you can use AI Receptionist on any business phone, mobile device, desktop, web browser, wherever you meet your customers. RingCentral AI Receptionist makes it easy to create effortless customer experiences 24/7. Try it free at ringcentral.com.